For many gardeners, July in the garden means the arrival of Japanese beetles. It can seem like almost overnight damage occurs on things like vines, coneflowers, anything leafy. And here are the culprits. Shiny green heads, brown bodies, and often found multiplying. In this yard, we're going to use a pheromone trap to trap the beetles. So it comes in a package, includes a bag, the pheromone bait, goes together by assembling the slot to slot, and then using the twist tie that was around the bag, so don't throw that one out. Just tie a loop in the top to secure it because we're going to use that to hang it. The bag has 3 holes in the bottom, those go down, and then 4 holes in the top that slip onto the yellow holder. The bag's design allows for the beetles to get caught in the top, fall down through the narrow part, end up in the bottom, and not be able to escape. This is the pheromone. It has a clear film on top that gets removed, a sticker peeled off the back, which is going to adhere it to the trap itself. It gets placed on the yellow holder, just above the bag, and then the trap itself gets placed away from the plant that you're trying to protect.